The ToLife 95oz Dehumidifier utilizes advanced semiconductor condensation technology to efficiently remove moisture from the air while maintaining a quiet operation. This device offers two distinct modes: a powerful mode for rapid humidity reduction and a low-speed sleep mode that operates at less than 30 decibels for peaceful nights. With 7 customizable ambient lighting options, the dehumidifier can enhance your room's atmosphere, serving as a cozy nightlight. Safety is prioritized with an automatic shutdown feature that prevents water overflow by stopping the device when the water tank is full or incorrectly positioned. Despite its compact size, this dehumidifier can effectively cover areas up to 950 square feet, making it ideal for various rooms including bedrooms, bathrooms, and basements. Its portable design, complete with handles, allows for easy movement and placement throughout your home.